Hi friends, today's topic of discussion is numericals from chapter number 1, that is metal casting. This is for semester 3, subject production processes 1, and it is for degree or engineering of mechanical and automobile. So the question is, a casting of 50 centimeter into 40 centimeter into 10 centimeter size solidifies in 20 minutes. Find the solidification time for 40 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 5 centimeter casting under similar conditions. So this question is regarding solidification time, and the formula for solidification time is as follows: T is equal to C into V upon A the whole square, where T is the solidification time in minutes and V is the volume of casting in centimeter cube. A is the surface area of the casting in centimeter square, and C is the constant which depends on the mold material and metal to be cast, and the unit is minute per centimeter square. So in given case where the size of the casting is given as 50 into 40 into 10 centimeter cube, and the time which is given, solidification time, is given as 20 minutes. So first we will calculate the volume, as in the formula we require volume and surface area. So when we start with volume, since it is a three-dimensional this thing, so 50 into 4 into 10, that is 20,000. We can write 20,000, or we can write 2 into 10 raised to 4 centimeter cube, or you can write 20,000 centimeter cube also. Regarding the surface area of the casting, here I have made the diagram, but it is not compulsory to make the diagram in the examination, but you may do so. Here I have made it for explanation purposes. So as you can see, the top surface, that is having the dimension 50 and 40, so the area for the top surface is 50 into 40. Similarly, there will be bottom portion, it will also have the dimension as 50 and 40. So as you can see, the first part I have written 50 into 40 into 2, means the top surface and the bottom surface. And similarly, here on the right side we can see 40 and the thickness is 10. So the area will be 40 into 10, and such will be two places, this side and the opposite side. So 40 into 10 into 2 times, that is because there are two faces with these dimensions. Then in the front you can see the dimension 50 and the thickness as 10. So we have to find the surface area. So it will be 50 into 10, and at the back side also of this casting it will have dimension as 50 and 10. So that's why I have written 50 into 10 into 2 times. So finally I have taken 2 as common, so it will be 50 into 40 plus 40 into 10 plus 50 into 10. When we calculate, we get the dimension, okay, or the value of surface area of the casting, that is A1, is equal to 5800 centimeter square. So now what we will calculate, that is we will use this formula to calculate C, because solidification time, that is T1, is known, V1 we have calculated, and A1 we have calculated. So using this formula we can calculate C. Okay, so let's go and find C. So in the formula we have put the time as 20, because for the given casting the solidification time is 20. Then we have calculated the volume as 2 into 10 raised to 4, or 20,000, divided by the surface area, which we have calculated as 5800. So we need to find C, because that is the only unknown in this equation. So what I have done, I have transferred 5800 square on the left side and 2 into 10 raised to 4 square on the left side. By doing that, now I can calculate C. So I got the value of C as 1.682 minute per centimeter square. So now for the new case which is given in the problem, where the casting size is 40 into 30 into 5. So as we know, C will be same as the conditions are similar. Okay, so we need to find the solidification time, that is T2. So now the volume, that is V2, is equal to 40 into 30 into 5, that is 6000 centimeter cube. So we need to find the surface area of this new casting, and I have made the diagram, as it is not compulsory to make this diagram. Okay, so this I have made for explanation purpose. So as I have earlier explained how I have calculated the surface area, similarly here also it is applicable. So I have calculated A2, that is 40 into 30, that is the top part of the casting and the bottom part. Okay, 30 into 5, that is right side of the casting and the left side of the casting, and 40 into 5, that is the front, and 40 into 5 at the back. So in this way I have calculated the surface area of the new casting. So I got the value 3100 centimeter square. So now with that I have C, okay, and I have volume of the new casting and the surface area of the new casting. Using that I can calculate now the solidification time for the new casting. So the formula is T2, that is C into V2 upon A2 the whole square. So I put the value of C, that is 1.682 into 6000 divided by 3100 square. So after calculation I got the value as 6.3 minutes. So the solidification time for the casting size 40 into 30 into 5 centimeter cube is 6.3 minutes. So this was the total problem, the question, and how we have proceeded using the information, and we got the value of C, and using the value of C and the new dimension of the casting, we have calculated the solidification time for the new casting. Hope you like the video. We will again meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.